Hello everybody, Dan Jascott from Empower Leadership on another day at the home office working from home, which has been a big challenge for pretty much the entire Empower team because we are all outdoor adventure enthusiasts and we love leading different zipline tours and team building events. And for me personally, I've spent my entire professional career in person, interacting, whether it be as a physical education teacher or as an adventure facilitator with Empower. And I'm definitely missing the in-person connections, the shared experiences, and probably most importantly, the laughs and the bonds you can develop with people in person. For the Empower team, we spent quite a bit of time doing some fun online team building events to break up the digital workday, just because it was a huge change up for all of us. And from those experiences, we actually developed our Emerge online team building event, which is administered entirely via Zoom video conferencing. And really the purpose of this Emerge team building event is to give team members who are all working remotely right now an opportunity to reconnect, come back together, share some laughs, and work together in a fun and obviously a safe environment, because we're not doing this type of thing in person. If you or your team is interested in learning more about the Emerge online team building event, you can find information on our website, which is leadwithempower.com/services. Check it out. Hopefully we'll get to share some adventures with you all soon. Be safe.